Akko is renewing itself in education, development, culture, and quality of life. From the moment you enter town, you can feel something new in the air. Akko is renewing with thousands of new quality residential units for young couples and those seeking to upgrade their dwellings. Here they find a real home and a wonderful place to raise their children. 1,500 dwellings, including 500 affordable single houses, are already under construction, supervised by the Ministry of Housing. Akko is also renovating older neighborhoods as part of the Focused Effort project, carried out independently for the benefit of its residents. Akko is a leader in investment in education per student, and the results are already apparent. Matriculation rates during the last 5 years have constantly risen, and mayor's scholarships are awarded each year to the city's student residents. 50 culture, youth, and sports centers operate in Akko, along with numerous youth movements, and a music conservatory where more than 1,000 students study during after-school hours. Along with promoting other projects, the Pais Extreme Sports Park opened recently with an investment of more than 20 million shekels. Built by the Akko municipality with the support of Mifal HaPais and the Ministry for the Development of the Negev and the Galilee, the park is an exciting recreation attraction for families, children, and devotees of extreme sport. In culture too, Akko never stops renewing. The Akko Israeli Fringe Theater Festival has been drawing large crowds for years, with more than 100,000 visitors each year coming to Akko from around the country to enjoy plays and street performers. Akko's accelerated economic growth draws both visitors and entrepreneurs for commerce, employment, and industry. Attracted by the city's economic potential, more and more factories and businesses are moving to Akko.
Akko עוברת מהפכה, בחינוך, ברווחה, בתעשייה, בעסקים, בתיירות, בכל תחומי החיים. משאבים רבים הושקעו בשנים האחרונות, ואת התוצאות אפשר לראות בכל פינה. התפתחות הנדל"ן בעיר היא דוגמה מצוינת להתחדשות שהעיר עכו עוברת. משפחות צעירות רבות מגיעות לעיר עכו מכל הארץ ומוצאות פה בית לגור ולהשתקע. בשנים הקרובות בעזרת השם העיר עכו תמשיך לשגשג ולהתפתח בתחום התרבות, המסחר, התעשייה, החינוך ולהיות אחת הערים המובילות במדינת ישראל.
With more than 1 million visitors each year drawn to its fascinating tourist attractions and more than 50,000 smiling inhabitants, Akko is striding forward. Come renew with us.